So we left Patel this morning, overnight actually, on the overnight boat. And now we're in Ao Nang. Fucking bad with these bloody names of these places.
Near Krabi.
Near Krabi. And just walking, go get a motorbike. And as per normal, I always find some animals to find. And I pat them and now they're following me. So there's Whitey. Hey Whitey. And there's golden sugar flake over there. But that's a pretty nice backdrop to be waking up to every morning. There's shark bait, ooh ha ha. Hey?
Yeah.
Bloody Steve Irwin wannabe. Chasing after sharks, cutting your foot open. So hop a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna go get a motorbike and then explore around here and hopefully find some places to eat. But yeah.
Oh.
So this is just like the nice little drive straight into where we're staying in our hut. We thought we had to walk through, but no, we drive our bikes through it. So pretty cool. So here you go.
And I can't make you stand by me, but I can see a timeline whereby we. Maybe I was right in saying night and day, and you and Allah, you the topic, me the scholar. We can be the one to make it ever, but for now I can't imagine. I just wanna hold you once, be the only one you want. I just wanna hold you once, hold you once. What's the deal though? I can make it real, like a feel when I see it, girl. I can make your feelings go.
So we're just currently at the Tiger Cave Temple in Krabi. And they're about 8 kilometers away from Krabi town. So you got a few things you can do here, so you can see the monkeys and stuff.
I love monkeys.
You can go into the Tiger Cave, have a look there, be blessed by a monk if you want, just by donations. There's also the option of walking up, as you'll see in the video to come, like 1,200 and something steps. Due to the fact that I have cut my foot open, we won't actually be doing that, so unfortunately we won't be able to go to the top and have a look. But it's something that you can Google and just have a look on and see what it looks like. It looks beautiful from the top, but yeah, unfortunately we won't be able to experience it. But yeah, you'll see some footage around here shortly after this.
I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
Monkey! Monkey, monkey, monkey.
See, the children are starving and their houses were destroyed. Don't think they could forgive you. When seas will cover lands and when men will be no more. Don't think you can forgive you. Yeah, when there'll just be silence and when we're running out of time. Guess I'll deal with a broken heart and let it mend along the way. Need you here, right by my side. Hold me tight like yesterday. Need you here. Need you here. Hold me tight like yesterday.
Good morning. It's the last day in Phuket, Thailand. We're just packing up, as you can see, packing our lives up. Just about to go have some quick breakfast. Well, actually, Bianca's already started. Just having some kiwi fruit and some bananas. So we're just about to pack up and go catch a flight to Kuala Lumpur, and then on from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore for a few days, and then from Singapore to Cambodia. Sorry, not Cambodia, Vietnam. And then to Cambodia. So, Anyway, we'll give you a little snippet of us leaving later on, but yeah.
Hey guys, so just got into Phuket Airport. We're just going to check in now to go to Singapore. We tried to check in online, but I have no idea, but I couldn't work it out. So I have to check in.
So, about to finally board a flight to Singapore. We had a bit of a dilemma with our visas getting from Singapore to Vietnam, but now we're going to stay an extra couple of nights in Singapore before we go to Vietnam, which is good because we get to see the city a bit more. Can't wait. So yeah, enjoy.
So you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, or hit subscribe if you want to keep watching us.
Send you like a runaway, ask you to stay, but you